Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on construction loans with Flagstar Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, identify your construction project's total estimated costs. Research Flagstar Bank's specific construction loan offerings. Gather necessary documents, including your income verification and project plans. Next, calculate your down payment options. A higher down payment can reduce your overall loan amount. Consider using Flagstar Bank's online calculators to estimate your monthly payments. Review current interest rates offered by Flagstar Bank. Keeping an eye on interest rates can help you choose the best time to secure your loan. Connect with a Flagstar loan officer to discuss your unique needs. Personalized guidance can help you navigate your construction loan options. Ask about any special promotions or discounts available for construction loans. Inquire about potential closing cost reductions. Understanding fees can lead to significant savings. Be prepared to show your credit score and discuss your financial situation. A good credit score can lead to better loan terms and lower rates. Understand the different types of construction loans available. Each loan type has varying benefits and requirements. Consider whether a fixed rate or variable rate loan is better for you. Keep track of your construction timeline and budget. A well-managed project can prevent cost overruns and additional fees. Review your loan agreement carefully before signing. Make sure you understand all terms and obligations. Utilize Flagstar Bank's customer support for any questions during the process. Creating clear communication can help you avoid misunderstandings. Once your loan is approved, keep an eye on your budget during construction. Monitor expenses to ensure you stay within your financed amount. Ultimately, being proactive and informed will maximize your savings on a construction loan. Now that you have these steps, you're ready to start your journey with Flagstar Bank. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.